Welcome student. Yesterday you have completed the first main of worksheet 2. Let us move on to the second main. Divide and check your answer. Okay, the first one is 7352 by 2. Yes, here the 7 is greater than 2, so we are taking one digit here. Okay, now recall the table 2. Yes, see here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 is there. Here we are taking 2 3s are 6 which is less than 7. Okay, yes, now 2 3s are 6, subtract these two. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then take the another number down here, the 3. Now we are having 13. Now divide 13 by 2. Yes. Now recall the table 2. Yes, which is less than 13. Here 2 6 are 30. 2 6 are 12. Write down 6 in the quotient part and 12. Yes. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, take a 5 down. Now we are having 15. 15 divided by 2. Yes. Now recall the table 2 less than 15. Yes, 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now the another number is there. So we are taking the 2 down here. Now 12 divided by 2. Yes. Recall the table 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Yes. Now subtract these two. Yes. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Yes. Now this is called quotient and this is a remainder. Yes, you all know that this is a divisor and this is a dividend. Yes. Now we have to check the answer. Yes. Check the answer by the relation divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Yes. Yes. What is our divisor here? Divisor is 2. Write down 2. And what is the quotient we got here? 3676. 3676 plus remainder. Yes. Now we have to multiply these two. Yes. Take this one aside. 3676 into 2. Yes. Do it here. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes. 7352. Add 0. 0 means we will get a same number. So we got the dividend. Yes. See here. The dividend is 7352. Here we got 7352. Yes. Got it, children? Next, move on to the second one. 4325 by 6. Yes, write down 4325 by 6. Now here we have to recall the table 6. Okay. Yes, here the 4 is less than 6. So we are taking 2 digits here. Got it, children? Here the 4 is less than 6. So we will take 2 digits. Yes, now recall the table 6. Yes, see here. We have to take the number which is less than 43 or less than 43. Yes, recall here 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42 minus 6 sevens are 42. Subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now take 2 down. Yes, here next divide 12 by 6. Yes, recall the table 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Yes, subtract 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next we have 5. Take this 5 down. See here, this is less than 6. 5 is less than 6. There is no further calculation. So we have to put a 0 in the quotient. Why we wrote a 0 in the quotient means there is no further calculation. So we have to put 0 here. Got it, children? Yes, this is the quotient and this is the remainder and this is the divisor and this is the dividend. Yes, now we have to check the answer. Yes, check the answer by relation divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Yes, what is our divisor here? 6. And what is the quotient we got? 270. And 5 is the remainder. Now multiply these two first. Yes, 720 into 6. Yes, 6 zeros are 0. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 sevens are 42 plus 1 is 43. Yes. Now add 5 to this plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Here we got 4325 is the exact dividend here. Yes. Got it, children? Okay. Next move on to the third one. 7316 by 5. Yes, here 7 is greater than 5. So we are taking one digit here. Recall the table 5. 5 ones are 5. Subtract 7 minus 5 is 2. Now take this 3 down. Divide 23 by 5. Yes, recall table 5. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. Subtract 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then take 1 down. Divide again 31 by 5. Yes, recall table 5. 5 6 are 30. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Again we have to take 6 down here. Yes, here we are having 16 divided by 5. Yes, 5 3s are 15. Subtract 1 0. Yes, 1 is the remainder and 1463 is the quotient, and this is divisor and this is dividend. Yes, now after this we have to check your answer by the relation divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Yes, what is our divisor here? 5, and the quotient is 1463 plus the remainder is 1. Now multiply these two first here. 1463 into 5. Yes, 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 is 31. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 is 23. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes. Now add this 1 to 7315. Yes. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 3 7. Yes. 7316 is the dividend. Next, fourth one, 4217 by 8. Here 4 is less than 8, so we are taking the 2 digit. Yes, now recall the table 8. Yes, here 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Subtract 2 0. Yes, now take 1 down. Yes, now divide 21 by 8. Recall the table 3. Yes, here 8 3s are 24 is there, so we are not taking this 24. We have to take 8 2s are 16, which is less than 21. Yes, 8 2s are 16. Subtract. Yes, 1 minus 6 is not possible. Take a borrow from 2. 2 becomes 1 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 6 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then take 7 down. Yes, here divide 57 by 8. Now recall the table 8. Yes, 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Subtract. Seven minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. This is our remainder and this is the quotient. And this is divisor and this is the dividend. Yes, now check your answer by the relation divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Yes, the divisor is 8, quotient is 527, remainder is 1. Now multiply these two. 527 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 twos are 16 plus 5 is 21. 8 fives are 40 plus 2 is 42. Now add 1 to this. 7, 1, 2, 4. We got 4217. This is the exact dividend we got here. Yes. Next, fifth and sixth one, do by yourself.